What's up, guys? It's Mark here at Dino Trading. Hope you're having a lovely trading week. It's been another one for the record books. We've basically had back-to-back days, man, of crazy, wild, I'm talking multiple hundreds of ticks and pips potential over the last 24 hours, and I'm going to show you in just a few seconds here what these charts look like. All right, but before we get into that, folks, I want to give a big warm welcome to everybody that has joined the Dino Trading family and the Dino Trading team, especially over the last couple of months of this year. I really appreciate your feedback, your comments, guys. I am very grateful that you are enjoying the software because, as you know, there's a million different trading indicators out there, all sorts of cluttered, confusing garbage. And I'm really glad to hear that when you made the decision to get involved with our proprietary Dino charts, that your technical analysis has drastically improved. So I just want to say to all you guys out there, yes, I'm getting your emails, I'm getting your text messages, I'm getting your comments, and I'm thrilled that you're loving the software. All right, so here's what we're going to do, folks. I'm going to show you how to transform your garbage indicator candlestick charts, and I'm going to show you how to do your technical analysis like a professional, not an amateur, not a retail trader, right? But a professional chart technician, okay? So the first thing we have to do is we have to get the raw data. We got to get the price bars. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take these candlestick charts, and with one click of my mouse, I'm going to make the chart look like this, all right? You can kind of see for yourself how these are price-based charts. You see how they kind of stay the same color for extended periods of time, right? These are not candlesticks, right? These are our proprietary price-based charts, which are significantly different than candlestick charts. Night and day difference, folks, all right? But we're not done. We still have to apply our volume indicator, all right? So you right-click in your chart, you go to your indicator window, and you find this program right over here. The name of it is called Volume Accelerator. Right? This is the proprietary green and red color band that can detect volume. So once you found it, slap it onto your chart, hit OK, and kablam! Your charts are now going to look like this. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Again, night and day difference. Look at this versus this. I think it's pretty obvious which one makes more common sense, right? And just to recap for you guys and gals out there that might not know what you're looking at, folks, this indicator is a simple volume profile indicator. It can potentially detect changes in the trend, right? That's the only thing that's important to me. I need to know the starting point of a potential trend. I don't want to know the middle of the trend. I definitely don't want to know the end of the trend. I need to know the starting point, right? And what this indicator does is it alerts you, gives you a heads up via a simple color change. When it turns green, it tells you the buyers might be in control and you may see higher prices. And in this instance, like you can see right over here, when it turns red, it tells you that the sellers have now taken control and you might potentially see lower prices ahead, as we saw right over here. I mean, this was a quick 400 ticks or pips if you follow in Forex. Think about that. 400 potential ticks or pips in just an hour, depending on where you got out, right? Because trade management, especially if you're in a profitable trade, it's a great problem to have. You know, you can utilize multiple options on how to manage a winning trade. You can scale out, you can have fixed targets for yourself. Like in my case, I like to just look for 300, maybe 400 ticks, and then maybe I bail on that trade. Right? Now look, that's not to say you're not going to have losing trades. You guys know losing money in the market is part of the game. But how you manage those losing trades and maybe even convert them from a losing trade into a winning trade, depending on how the market goes that day, right? That is the difference between a successful trader and a mediocre trader. Right? And I'm pretty sure all you guys watching this video, you all have aspirations to become real professional technical traders. Now this setup right here is a picture perfect retracement trade. You couldn't have asked for a better setup. You guys know these retracements happen all the time, but I did promise you a back-to-back recap. So let me jump over to the other chart and show you yesterday's, man. I mean, look at look at yesterday. Okay? This is the day before. And look, man, sometimes this is going to happen, right? Where the market just turns green. As you can see right here, the volume indicator turned from red to green, and it just took off like a rocket ship, right? With no retracement. And sometimes this is going to happen, man. So you kind of have to make the decision for yourself. Are you an aggressive trader? Are you going to take every single color change, regardless of whether the market pulls back or not? Or are you going to be a little bit more disciplined, and are you going to look for something like this, right? Where the market gives you a direction change. As you can see, it changes from green to red, and then the market comes down a little bit and then gives you the picture perfect retracement, aka pullback. Because look, I can't tell you guys which method is better, right? There's a lot of you guys out there that simply take the color change. I've spoken with you guys. You guys are killing it. I know you are. But there's also another segment of more maybe conservative traders who like to patiently wait for the pullback. Both styles, folks, the aggressive way to implement and start looking for setups and the conservative way to start looking for setups are appropriate, right? So don't ask me to pick which one is my favorite. It's like asking me to pick which one's my favorite kid. But what I can tell you, in my experience and my expertise, and especially based on your guys' feedback, all right, is this volume color change, right? This volume indicator is freaking awesome. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.